Hi lovelies, so today I'll be showing you two of my favorite DIY oils I tried this year. I do have the full videos of both oils on YouTube, but I am leaving the original audio just in case. Alright, so enjoy the rest of the video. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chue Juliet, and today we'll be doing a 4C hair growth hot oil treatment that is perfect for stopping breakage and dry brittle hair. So the three oils that we'll be using are neem oil, palm kernel oil and coconut oil, and I've listed all the benefits down below. All you need to do is take a third of a cup and pouring each of these oils in the exact amount in a 200 ml container. If you don't have a 200 ml container, then you can use any container of your choice. Just make sure that they are all equal parts. I also added Jamaican black castor oil just because I wanted to. And when you're done with the mixture, this is what it looks like. It has this light golden color and it's just beautiful to look at. So this oil has many benefits, such as neem oil is great for relieving dandruff, stimulating hair growth, repairing the skin and hair from environmental damage, treating head lice and treating fungal infections. While for palm kernel oil, it's great for locking in moisture, it gives hair a brilliant shine, and it is rich in antioxidants. And for the benefits of coconut oil, which you may already know, it's rich in vitamins and fatty acids, it nourishes scalp, and it's high in protein, and it penetrates hair shaft and strengthens the hair. If you want to know more about oils, the kind of oils I like to use on my hair, I have a video on the 7 top oils that I love to use on my natural 4C hair. Okay, so moving on. Next thing you'll need to do is to take a bowl. It could be a stainless bowl or a plastic bowl. It really depends on what you have available. And then you put a slightly above warm temperature of water into it. So not too hot and not lukewarm. So just like slightly above lukewarm. And so you can see that I can put my finger into it without any problems. So place your bottle inside the water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and when you take your bottle out, your oil should feel warm and you should see a little bit of steam on the bottle as well. That shows you that the oil has been warmed up nicely. Now, next, I'll be showing you how to make this hair growth oil mix, which is perfect for hot oil treatment and a perfect addition to your healthy hair growth routine. So I'm going to be showing you how to make it. So I'll be using a mix of 6 different oils. The first 3 are pure almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. So the first benefits of these 3 are, for extra virgin olive oil, it smooths the hair shaft, it helps to retain hair moisture, and it prevents dandruff, to name a few. For castor oil, it improves blood circulation to the scalp, it helps reduce hair loss, and it helps to reduce hair damage. Some of the benefits of almond oil, on the other hand, it helps to reduce split ends, it also helps to reduce breakage, and it softens the hair. And the split ends are reduced because your cuticles lie flat, so your hair is smoother, therefore it prevents the cracking and splitting of your hair cuticle. Our next 3 oils include wheat germ oil, amla oil, and palm kernel oil. I just put the palm kernel oil into my coconut oil bottle, which I made by hand, so that's why it's in that bottle, so you don't get confused. But then you could also use coconut oil for it, it's no problem. But I'm just saying that what's inside the coconut oil bottle is actually palm kernel oil. Some of the benefits of wheat germ oil is that it is an emollient like almond oil, so it has like similar benefits to almond oil. It contains vitamin E and also several B vitamins. Also, some of the benefits of amla oil is that it strengthens and conditions the hair, it prevents premature graying, and reduces dandruff. So if you're going to add this oil to the mix, make sure that you use it only as a hot oil treatment, or use it just right before you have to wash your hair, because this particular oil leaves a stain. And this oil with palm kernel oil leave a stain in your hair, so it's not really great if you're using the oil to seal, because it just ends up like messing up your clothes and ends up like staining your pillow and stuff. So I only use this oil mix only for hot oil treatments or to massage my scalp just right before I need to wash. Some other benefits of palm kernel oil is it helps to soothe the scalp skin, it helps reduce hair loss, and it is claimed to thicken the hair. I don't have any proof of this. I know that my hair is naturally thick. If palm kernel oil has worked for you, let me know in the comment section below. Also, I would like to say quickly that before you try any DIY on your whole head, please make sure that you test it on a patch of your hair first, even if it's filled with organic ingredients, because some of us might be sensitive to different things. So always make sure to patch test before using this or any of my DIY treatment on your hair or on your skin. All right, so now to how I mix it, the proportions in which I mix this oil. So the first thing you need is a cup of extra virgin olive oil. You need 1 cup of castor oil as well. And then you also need half a cup of almond oil, 1 cup of amla oil. It's also known as gooseberry oil. So if you have something called gooseberry, that's what amla oil is. And then another cup of palm kernel oil. As you can see, the gooseberry oil, which is also the amla oil, has like a dark green color to it, so it just like makes everything look golden and nice and rich. So the next thing that you need 1/3 of a cup of wheat germ oil last. Then it is entirely optional if you want to choose to add essential oils. I don't add essential oils into mine, but if you want, you can add a few drops of lavender or peppermint, which are exceptionally great for our scalp. Also, you need a dark bottle, but I used a clear bottle in this one so that you can all see the color, because I really love how the colors come together, and I wanted you all to also see the measurements as it goes into the bottle. So yeah, so going on, but you don't have to use the same oils that I use. You can use the oils that are available to you. Just make sure that you mix them in the proportions that you want the benefits, and your hair will be fine and you'll be okay. So once you're done, if you have a dropper bottle, you can use the cap of the dropper bottle now, but with this I just covered it with the cap. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So what you do is you make sure you mix the contents really well, but they all blend perfectly well without having to mix it anyway. Nothing settles to the bottom. It's just a rich, creamy oil mix, which is just great for my hair, because my hair is thick and my hair loves thick oils. So this is what it looks like with a clearer view, and it is just like sparkling under the sun. Well, I obviously added a bit of a dead spot. It is sparkly under the sun.